check I agree. After that, click Submit List. Once you have submitted, you will receive an email and then wait for their approval of your article. If all goes well, you will get paid $100. Hi there, welcome to Lazy Lifehack. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the process of writing your own article and earning some cash for your creativity. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by those flashy, fast-paced, money-making videos online? They're designed to grab your attention, but often leave you feeling confused and unsure where to start. Well, today we're taking a different approach. A slow and steady one. Step 1. Listverse. Listverse is a website where people post top 10 lists. It features various top 10 lists, such as top 10 famous historic people who swore they were gods, top 10 greatest movie MacGuffins of all time. Let's take a look at one of their top 10 articles. This particular article is about the famous historic people who swore they were gods. Each entry on the list includes a YouTube link and an accompanying article about it. Pretty neat, right? Now let me explain something. This person who wrote this article on Listverse earned $100 for their work. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to write a top 10 list article. Do you think you can do it? Well, it doesn't matter because we are going to use AI to write. If we click the More section, you will see the menu called Write and Get Paid. Let's click on that. Here you can read about the details on how Listverse will pay you $100 for every article you submit. Let's go and read the author guide. After clicking, it will take you to a PDF. Here, you can read about all the do's and don'ts, as well as which kinds of content are popular. I recommend reading this thoroughly. Step 2. What to write about. We can write about anything as long as it is a list. I would like to show you something I have worked on. First, we go to Google and search for top 10 free websites to watch movies. Let's click on the LifeWire link. Here, the website lists the 13 best places to watch free movies online, but we only need 10, so we'll skip 3. Now I'm going to copy the text from LifeWire, then bring up my note, paste into it, name it as original, and then use ChatGPT 3.5, which is free to use. Here I will paste the text again. Ask ChatGPT to rephrase it and wait for the magic. Once done, copy the text from the ChatGPT, call up a new notes and paste the edited text in. Name this notes as edited. Well, you can actually copy and paste the text from the website directly to ChatGPT, but as in my case, I want to keep the original article too. That's why I kept one original and one edited at my notes. Let's do another one to help you understand better. Copy another entry from the site, paste it into a note, then put it into ChatGPT. Rephrase it. If you want to make it longer, type "make it longer." After that, copy from ChatGPT and paste it into the note. So there you go. Now we have 2 entries. Keep doing that until you get 10. Remember, text should be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, including the introduction. If your article is too short, make it longer using ChatGPT. You can use websites like Word Counter to check the word count. Remember, it is 2,000 words, not characters. There is a huge difference between words and characters. So when you look at other existing articles, you will see pictures and videos inside. Regarding that, if you go back to More, Write and Get Paid, in the right column, you will read that. When you send in your list, you don't need to include images or videos. Our team of editors does a great job selecting the best images to complement your writing. However, if you are desperate to include some of your own supporting imagery or videos, just include a link to the YouTube page or a URL of the picture you like with each item on your list. We don't promise we'll use them, but we'll definitely consider them. On page 2 of the author's guide, it is also stated that you should not include images with your submission. Our editorial team will find appropriate images for your content. If you wish, you can include links to suitable YouTube videos. So this means you can provide them with photo and video URLs, and they will consider using it. Step 3, how to submit an article. Once you are ready with your article, click on More again and choose Submit a List. Here you will see a form where you can submit the article. Before doing anything, go all the way down and read the hints and tips. Lists must be your own work. Lists should include 10 items. Lists should be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, including the introduction. Include quality online sources, no Wikipedia or editable content that verify facts for each item on your list. As for my case, I use the website links as my reference. Format the sources according to Section 7 of the author's guide. Don't forget to read the entire author's guide before submitting. So please read the author's guide. That is very important. Make sure your article falls under all their guidelines. Now, go back to the top. Here is another important thing. They only accept submissions from the US, UK, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. If you are from there, that's fine. But if you are not, then you will have to use a VPN and make sure you are connecting from one of those listed countries. Only after that, then you submit. Right below that, under Your Details, put your nickname, email address, and PayPal email address. Listverse will only pay you via PayPal, no other option. So make sure you have a PayPal account. If you live in a country where PayPal is unavailable, ask a friend who lives in a country where PayPal is available. Use their phone number to create an account. Next is the author blurb. The author blurb is where you briefly write about yourself as an author and your interests. Mention what kind of articles you write, what places, people, or books inspire you, etc. You can even ask ChatGPT to write this. Below is your top 10 list. For the list title, we put Top 10 Best Free Websites to Watch Movies Online in 2024. In the introduction, I will put this. In the Enter the Full Content section, I'm going to put the entire article I have prepared. Check I agree. After that, click Submit List. Once you have submitted, you will receive an email and then wait for their approval of your article. If your article is accepted, they will contact you again for payment details. So there you go, we just submitted an article. If all goes well, you will get paid $100. In conclusion, find the right content for your list. Make sure the list is something very unique, rare, out of the box, and stands out from the rest. Use ChatGPT or any other text AI bot to write it. Read the author's guide thoroughly. Make sure you follow all the guidelines. Check other existing articles for references. Again, read the author's guide thoroughly, submit for approval, and get paid $100 via PayPal. I hope you understand the steps. This is really a legit method to get paid. Again, just make sure you follow the guidelines. I have listed all the link at the description, plus more links that will help you on creating for your article. You got nothing to lose, so give it a shot. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I will post more videos on how to use AI efficiently. Also, please check out my previous videos, and I will see you all again in the next video.